Ascribe to Yahuah, you sons of the mighty. Ascribe to Yahuah, esteem and strength. Ascribe to Yahuah, you sons of the mighty. Ascribe to Yahuah, esteem and strength. The esteem of his name. The voice of Yahuah is over the waters. The voice of Yahuah is with power. The voice of Yahuah is with greatness. The voice of Yahuah is breaking the seas. The voice of Yahuah cuts through the flames of fire, shakes the wilderness. So hold me rightly, O Yahuah, for I have walked in my integrity, and I have trusted in your ways without wavering. Try me, O Yahuah, and prove me. I want to be tried and true so you can use me. So now I put my trust in you, even when I don't understand. Now I put my faith in you, even when I don't know the plan. When life gets hard and I don't know what to do, I read your word and cast my cares upon you. Sing to you in this song, sing to Yahuah all the earth, sing to Yahuah, Barak his name, proclaim his lips from day to day, declare his esteem among the nations, his wonders among all the people, for great is Yahuah and greatly to be praised. Me rightly, O Yahuah, for I have walked in my integrity, and I have trusted in you without wavering. Try me, O Yahuah, and prove me. I want to be tried and true so you can use me. And,
Hallelujah.
Praise Yahuah.
Hallelujah.
I
Hallelujah.
love it. Hallelujah.